Did you get one? You gonna taste it? Clayton saw that they were on here and he come over here and picked them all off. But there's still some that survived and then plenty more coming on. These are all those San Marzanos. Yeah, that's a San Marzano. And there's obviously that one. It's gonna be our first one ready here out of those. There's some right here.
That one just fell off.
There's a big. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 7 plants that, you know, we had intentions of putting the trellis up, but we didn't have enough. So we're gonna get some tomato cages. Well, we've got some we're gonna put up here. And here's one of our slicers. We got lots of peppers. These are like some kind of orange. Don't touch them because you might make them fall off. There's another one. This one has got 2 on it, and it's gonna have quite a few. There's one on that little lone plant. So we've got a little bit of okra that's still trying to come up, but we don't know if it will. And then all the cucumbers and squash are pretty much dead. Either animals have ate it or something. We got lots of eggplant that still looks good. Our watermelons that looked great are now all trampled down. It looks like they got either washed away by rain or just tramped around by deer, because we did see deer tracks. So I think our plan for this area is, after we get the dogs up here, we're moving them tomorrow. So hopefully that'll keep the deers away. But after this is done, we're done with this. We're gonna get all the little bit that we can this year. We're gonna turn this into our orchard and like put the berries right here, because we can put a fence. We don't plan to fence this in. There's a big apple tree right there behind me, and I think that's just asking for issues with deer and stuff coming. But we knew that. I mean, we were just, you know, like I said, just wanted to get something up here. We were just anxious to plant, and I know that you guys can understand that, because, you know, who doesn't want to plant the first season that they own land? I mean, we've always had this land in our family, but, you know, it being ours, we wanted to start, you know, the first year off right, and get something in the ground and say we grew on this land since we own it. So that's it for the little garden tour. And then apples, they're not quite ready, but we're gonna pick some blackberries and pick out a spot for the dogs.
Mason can weed eat some of this and take them pruners and prune, and then my dogs should be back in here in the shade. And I can run me a water hose from right here more than the dog. Huh?
Sure. This?
That's what you call West North Carolina, a pile of rock.
It's so strategically placed. So what's this
I'll
line?
say what this is from. These rocks is from. Whatever that was, the garden. They pulled them up here and stacked them, because this was always the wood line right through here, right down there. Where
Yeah.
So I guess that's probably what it is.
It sounds like a sheep of, it sounds like a goat. No.
This is what is why these rocks is piled here like this. That's the only thing I can think of.
These rocks are fun. I know me and Mason and Clayton and all those kids are going to be coming up here and playing on these. Yeah. Hey Mama, can I go get on that big rock?
Look, you want to drink some water?
Yeah!
Get down there and drink you some water.
No.
your knees down.
Watch out,
I've been
honey.
down
I
there
don't want you to get snake
Don't
bit.
pull on that.
Mom.
Go ahead. Drink it.
Mom, you climb over there and climb on that big rock.
Drink it.
You want some, Cora? I mean, Riley?
No.
You know the ground's moist, wet right here? I'm not going to come that way.
I'm going over there.
I need boots. Uh-huh.
When Brady had showed me that leak, I'll show you that leak too.
Yeah!
But anyway, when Brady had showed me that leak down here the other day, I took my witching rod and I was just showing them where these pipes are. Down here.
Look at that.
Been like 10 yards where the pipe runs, there's water under the ground.
Oh, I don't doubt it. Man. I mean, that right there was wet. Like, just wet. The ground was wet. So,
There ain't nothing. See, right?
Cora's like, let me have it.
Yeah, there's peach tree over there. I threw them out when we lived here before,
See, look.
and I didn't think they would grow.
Ha!
Sure enough.
She got one.
Mom, can I step over? Can I step
Got one? Let me see what you got. Open it. Let me see. Pretty good. Come here, Mace. Warm in here. See if we can fill it up. Oh, yay! Good job, guys. Now you can go pick them to eat them.